Hi everybody, thanks replayers. Hi. Hi Rudy. Hi Rachel. Hi Nancy, Ornica. Thanks for the heart. Rachel. Hey everybody. Allison, Deb. Good morning, afternoon, whatever it may be. Hi. Maybe enough, Nina, Karen. Hey everybody. Yes, sounds good. Well, this just kind of happened as these things do. Someone had a question for me about using vanilla oleoresin for mixing in carriers. And hi, Christina. Hi, Gaslight. And although this is an absolute, and technically speaking, absolutes are best mixed with alcohol and made into linen sprays. Hi, Therese. Hello, Miranda. Okay, thank you. Murby enough, I was like, Miranda, okay, gotcha. It's nice when you guys tell me what your actual names are, because sometimes by the little names you have to pick with certain characters, it's hard to fit all your names in there, so it's hard to know who's who from the group. So thank you for the hearts. Nina, thank you. Excellent. Excellent. So we're just talking about vanilla oleoresin, and I happen to have the one from Eden's Garden. There's other companies obviously that make it as well. Hi, Krista. Okay, Rudy Lover. I'll have to try to remember these. Krista, good, excellent. And it smells so good. I'm sure any of you that have vanilla, it just is absolutely amazing. And I make my own vanilla extract. So I actually get the vanilla beans and I actually make my own extract, which is so delicious. But this has a little bit more concentrated aroma, but it really, hi Might Science, GF. It really smells so good. It's just so delicious. You're not getting the picture? Oh, I'm sorry. Tuttle. So anyways, I had a question from somebody asking about mixing this in a carrier, because technically absolute should be mixed with alcohol and made into linen sprays or something. But you can actually mix it into oil. You can. You really can. Lotions, whatever you want to do, you can actually use it. You can add it to blends. The key is you just want to shake it a little bit before use. So earlier I had made up a little bit, and I'll do this for you guys. Actually, I'm going to do it for you now. So here's a little container, and I'm just going to put some carrier in it. This is different from vanilla extract because this is an absolute, and it's more concentrated than the extract is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop, and you guys will like this. Okay, so here's the carrier, and I'm going to plop. 1, 2. So see that? Isn't that awesome? So this is the vanilla oleoresin, and look at, you can see the little plops in there. Isn't that cute? So unlike most essential oils, when you add them to your carrier, this just kind of sits there like a blob. So, you know, this doesn't really mix, right? If I had a toothpick, I could show you. You can kind of stir it. Actually, I just had one here a little while ago. Okay. I'm just going to kind of go like this a little bit, and you can see it kind of disperses a little bit, but not too much. However, once I put the lid on, I go like this. See, you can tell, look. See? It's fine. Totally fine. So you can actually do that. Does the CO2 is the one that does mix in the carrier easily without making that blob that you just saw. But the CO2 extracts, they're really hard. The CO2 extractions are really difficult to find right now. It seems that only the absolutes are available, so you can do it. And here's one a couple of hours ago that I did, and you can see a little bit how it's settling slightly. See that? How the bottom is a little bit darker than the top, and we'll compare it to this one here. Actually, I did 2 drops in this, and I only did 1 in this, so that's probably not very fair. But you can see how it's settling, and there's like a little bit of like sediment on the bottom. So if you make something up, if you want to make up a pre-made blend, maybe like the Infatuation blend that I gave last week, you can totally do it. I would just suggest that you shake it up before you use it. And that's all you have to do. It's really, I know a lot of people recommend that you really don't try to use this in carrier oils, but the thing is you can, okay? So don't be intimidated. Don't feel like you have to buy the CO2. You can totally use the regular oleoresin and do that. It will mix out a little bit, but you just have to shake it up. That's it. So that's all. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. I just wanted to show you in person, kind of, right? I mean, this is sort of in person, right? I just wanted to show you. Oh, it smells so good. I got a little bit on the outside of the container. Oh, so I'm just like, smelling so good. Yes, it would work in a solid perfume blend, yes. A face wash liquid, yes. All you have to do is just shake it up before you use it. Would it disperse better and stay mixed if I use vodka? Yes, it will. It will. And a CO2 extract, basically CO2 is similar to steam distillation, except they use liquid nitrogen instead. And so they make it into, it's liquid, and they convert it into a gas, and that's how they steam. That's how they steam distill it, and then they convert it back to liquid, and it just separates. So, what does it do in castor oil soap? You can mix it in soap, absolutely, absolutely, yes, yes. If you want to learn more about extracts, you can go to, yeah, carbon dioxide. I was thinking it was liquid. No, nitrogen. See, I'm getting that wrong. Yeah, it's liquid gas. They change that into a liquid and then do it into a gas, and that's the key there. Sorry about that. I was like having a major brain fart and just trying to roll with it. Didn't quite work, did it? But thanks for catching that. So it's a gentler way, and CO2 extracts, generally, there's a lot of thought out there that the shelf life isn't quite as long, but you know, it's nothing I would really worry about. And the aromas are often better with the CO2 extract. Yes, yes, the aromas are better. Will there be a YouTube replay available for this? I know someone who needs to see this. Actually, yes, I will try. The problem is on Monday, when I went to do my Helichrysum Periscope, it worked, and then it automatically downloaded to my phone like it always does, and I never could get it on YouTube. It was saying that the download was corrupted or something, and I could never get it. So those of you who were here Monday were the only ones that were able to see me here do the Helichrysum one. So since then, I've actually signed up for Catch, K-A-T-C-H, K-A-T-C-H, and I was able to create an account for that. So all of my Periscopes should automatically shoot on over there. So in case the download to my phone doesn't work and I can't get it up on YouTube, then you can find me over there. And actually, let me see if I can find the link for that really quickly. I'm sure it's just, you know, using EOS safely after the catch, but let me see if I can find that. See, it's not really letting me get it easily because I've only been here a couple of times, but I can find it in the group. Oh wait, here, I think I have it. Okay, I can see myself up there, my videos. Okay, so that's what it is. So it's katch.me/using EOS safely. So that's all it is. So if you want to catch the replay, of course it will be available here on Periscope for the next 24 hours, and then after that they take it off. So you can go to the Catch link and you can find me there, and I will try to put it on YouTube, but like I said, the last time it didn't work. Thank you for putting that link up there. Thank you very much. Yes, so hopefully this will work and go up on there, so we'll see. So how many of you have the vanilla oleoresin? You're welcome. I'm just curious to know how many actually have this. It just smells so good. Thanks for the hearts. Anybody have this? You do? How do you like it? Is it yummy? I don't think that I know of anybody that has this that says, gross, it smells horrible. I mean, it's just, it doesn't matter what brand you use either. It's just so yummy, yummy, yummy. It doesn't say, okay, it may not say oleoresin, but it probably, if it says absolute, then that's what it is. Yes, awesome, you're making it with Infatuation. Excellent, hooray. And since you guys are on here, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek to the 2 blends that I made for Sunday, the anti-congestion blends. I have the original blend that you guys have seen before, and then I have my brand new one that nobody's seen yet. And these are awesome. So a little sneak peek for you guys. Plantifolia, yeah, that is the Latin name. Yep. Yep. So typically with vanilla, they do use the absolute method. So it may or may not say oleoresin, but it's pretty much the same thing. So yes. Okay, well, I'm going to get off. I'm going to see if this catch thing works. So thanks for jumping on very short notice. Appreciate it. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Okay, so let's see if this thing works. Yes, the vanilla bottle is this one right here. It's an Eden's Garden. See, if I hide my face, then generally you can see this better. Is that working? I think it's a little bit blurry. Not sure why, but hopefully. Yeah, it's a little bit blurry. I'm not sure what you wanted to see on it, but it does say Vanilla Plantifolia. It's a 10 ml from Eden's Garden. It says 100% pure absolute oil. And, right. So you're welcome. You're welcome. And the shelf life on this is about 4 years, just in case anybody was wondering. So, okay, well, I'm going to see if this uploads to Catch, and then you guys can share it. So thanks for hopping on with me. See ya.